Hi everybody, this is Joy again. I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, it's because of finals and all that good stuff, but and I'm closing my eyes and I should focus on the mirror. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I have something super exciting. I just bought a new camera and I'm trying these out. This is pretty interesting. I'm not sure what's gonna unfold of it, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do a series of my shoe collection, and I decided to start with my sneakers, and then I'll do my high heels, and then I'll do my boots. But because I just thought if I do all of them, it's gonna be just like too much. So I think it's the best thing to do. I'm super excited to go to Kenya and all that stuff. I'm gonna film it all, and we will all see how it goes. So let's get to this video. So you guys, I love sneakers, and I think that you don't have to have branded shoes or brand shoes to have really good sneakers. I have very many shoes that are not branded and some shoes that are branded that I'm very comfortable with, and that's what makes it important for a shoe. And so I'm gonna start with like my more of Vans with laces, because I do love Vans with laces. So I'm gonna start with my very first shoe. So I'm gonna start with these shoes. Oops. Great. Okay, so I have this shoe here. It's Tommy Hilfiger. This is a brand shoes, but it's very comfortable. I always wanted a white shoe, and I thought this was a really good I just have a white shoe because I never really have like that much white shoes apart from like Adidas and stuff. But this is like a very comfortable shoe, and you can walk around with these forever. So yeah, these are one of my favorite shoes. I don't even know what these are called. They're like written Twisted, Sleeping, and Step Out. I literally bought these shoes from like a store called Godman's, and I don't even know why I'm holding it this way, but it's alright. So these shoes are like super comfortable. I love anything that is blue. It's actually blue, I don't know if you can see it, but they're blue, and I just like the laces. I like the mixture of color, and I just thought it was really cool. So yeah, that's part of my collection. Number 3, these blue shoes. So almost the same thing, but not the same. But I do love these. They look knitted. Is it zoomed? I love that. I love the design. I can wear it with a blue shirt. I think I should do like a video where I wear these with like different outfits, and you see how it can match. But I do love these shoes. I just think that they're like the easiest sleep ones and go to school. So that's part of my collection. Actually, it's called AIRWALK. I don't know what that is, but it's not designer. I literally bought it from a store, and I think it was Payless. So yeah. Another strap shoe. So these are pretty much almost the same thing. These ones are AIRWALKs too. I bought this from Payless, and I think you don't have to buy like expensive Vans to wear. I've had these shoes for 3 years. Actually, all those shoes I've probably had them for 3 years, except the white ones that I bought last Christmas. But these, I've had them for almost 3 to 4 years. And look at how they are. They're still good. Even the bottom, they're like look super good, and I like the color. I can mix it with different outfits. And that's why I have 4 different colors that I really love. I love dark blue, blue, and burgundy. So yeah, that is that. Another shoe with laces. Number 4? I think it's 4.
It's number 5?
Number 5?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's number 5. So it's number 5. So it's my Adidas. Everybody knows about Adidas. I love Adidas. They're pretty good shoes. They match with a lot of things, so it's really easy to match them with anything. So yeah, but it's just a collection that is super cool, and I think it's a good idea to have. So yeah, here's my Steve Madden. I don't know if these shoes they're not brand. I think there's probably like a really good brand of this shoe, but I do not really have like a real branded one. I bought these from Rose for Less. It's Steve Madden or Madden, something like that. I don't know what it is, but I love this shoe. This shoe is like the most comfortable shoes I've ever had. It's just like a slip-on and go as well. It's super cool because it's black and you can wear it with anything really, and it has a white stripe, which is phenomenal. It can match with anything. So there's not really much to say about this shoe, but I just love it. I love the design and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so here's another designer shoe that I have, Tom Hilfiger. And actually, so these are not like, I don't know if they're original or not, because I always buy my shoes from like stores that are not like the brand stores. I get them from like Target, or I get them from like Walmart, yeah, all those places. So like basically this video is to like show how you can have a shoe that is not expensive but it still looks bomb. It looks good. So these are my Tommy Hilfigers. I've heard these shoes for 5 good years. They're amazing. I got them when I first got to America and I thought they were the best shoes I've ever had, and they're super cool. They match with so many things and it's great. So let's see, I can wear it with black stuff, white, blue. You can wear it any color and it looks super nice. And then another shoe that I bought from, where did I get this? I think these were Lola's Shoe Boutique. Like the pretty first time I ever got them, I was like, this is like the dopest shoe. And I wanted to get the black ones, but I ended up not getting the black ones. I got this because I was like, I already have black shoes, so I needed just the same one, like a different color. And I like the laces. I like that. These are the lightest shoe I've ever owned. These shoes are super light. So I got these as a gift as well, and I think they're the coolest shoes I've ever got. It was from a friend who's a runner, and he was like, these are really good shoes to like run, and it's very light. Yeah, very comfortable. I think these are the most expensive shoes I own, and they're super nice, and they're my go-to to the gym. So yeah. And these are Nike training shoes. I don't know what they are called, but I bought it from the Nike website, and I think these were limited edition because I've never seen them after I bought them. So these are literally branded and they're super cool. I love these shoes. You can slip them on and leave and just put them like black t-shirt, throw a t-shirt on and stuff. And I've had them for 5 years and they're barely like worn out. So I love these shoes. I just think it's like the best shoes I've ever got. So yeah, Nike. I love the shoes. Actually, you'll put that in the thumbnail. Oh, I forgot part of my by guess. I don't know if these are, yeah, these are probably branded. I don't know, I got them as a gift. I think they're branded. Yeah, it is branded. Sorry, it is branded. These are like very comfortable shoes. These are the best shoes I've ever had. Look at the glitter, like, yeah, oh, you can wear it with anything. You can wear it with a dress actually, like a short, very nice dress, comfortable. It's super cool. I think they're one of my favorite shoes, and I can match them with anything. The reason why I get shoes is comfort. I don't care for heels. I don't care. I probably have less than 5 pairs of heels, but I don't care for heels. I don't care for non-comfortable shoes. My shoes are most of them are flat shoes, so these are like my go-to. So yeah, I love those shoes. Branded champions. These are Nikes. They're super cool. I love these shoes. I love the interior yellow. These are the most comfortable. I think I've worn this since I got these shoes. I think I've worn them almost 4 to 5 times a week. Yeah, you heard that, almost 4 to 5 times a week. And they're my favorite shoes, I can tell you that. These are my favorite shoes as of now. These are the shoes that I wear every other day, every day. These are the shoes, like, only when I don't wear them is when they snow. So they're very light, literally, like, these are super cool. So yeah, these are one of my very cool shoes. And I love burgundy. Like, if you've seen, majority of my closet is burgundy. It's just not my shoes. I think this is my second pair of burgundy. But I have heels that are burgundy. I have boots that are burgundy. So yeah, I still have a ton of burgundy. I have jackets that are burgundy. So yeah, one of my favorite shoes. Another pair. These are my Pumas. These are super cool, super comfortable. I got this as a gift. And I always really wanted this pair because they were limited, and I don't think they're still there anymore. I don't know if they're, but if they're, that's super cool. Someone can get them. I think my boyfriend got them from Puma website or from the store. I do not know. But these are like super cool, comfortable. Oh my lord! Like it's slip-ons. I like a shoe that does not have to be tied. That's my go-to. A shoe that does not have to be tied, I'll buy it anytime. But when I have money, I'm a student, mind you, I can match them with so many things. I can take them to the gym actually because they're super light, they're comfortable. So they're probably not gym shoes, but I probably take them to the gym sometimes. And I just like the design in the back, like you can see that, they're super cool. I've talked the fastest I can talk. I'm probably rumbling, but sorry about that. So my Grand Finale, my favorite shoe that I just got, that are gonna be my safari shoes, because I'm going to the safari when I go to Kenya, so you guys are gonna see some clips from that. So I'm gonna show you my shoe. I don't know, what number is this? I don't know, like this is like the 10th shoe?
I have no idea.
Whatever. whatever. Okay, and these are my go-to shoes. They're male shoes. I don't care because they're very comfortable. That's what matters. I just think that this is super cool for safari. And when I'm in Kenya, it rains. I come, you know, I go in the mud, in the dust. I don't have to worry about it. And I don't know if they're branded or not. I got them from Payless. They were $49.99, but it was 40% off, so I got it for $14.99 or however much it was. I do not remember. So yeah, but it's 40% off, mind you. So my calculation might not be accurate, but these are my like go-to shoes. I love these shoes. They're heavy though, but it's alright. I'm gonna be able to rock them. And another fun fact, my boyfriend has the exact same shoe. And I'm gonna show you guys. These are his, super cool. So these are his shoes. They're super cool. I think this is the most epic shoe I've ever gotten. And these are my favorite shoes. I was so jealous that my shoes were not high tops as this, but they're high tops, and I think it's the dopest thing I've ever had. So finally, I'm back, and I'm done doing my sneakers. I'm gonna do my heels for the next, I think, not my heels really, but like my casual shoes. I'm gonna do it next. And I think this is the dopest video I've ever filmed. I think you guys are gonna love this. Please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe below. Please do, please do. It's somewhere here. Where's the subscription button? I think it's here, right? I think it's here. But please subscribe. Thank you so much for coming back and watching videos of me. I know I'm so inconsistent. I need to be consistent. Jay needs to do something next year. So please subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Goodbye.